collar. He's the collar.
That's why y'all want.
Shot.
They want me. They want to put their fingers and say, I'm the bad guy. I'm the bad guy. I'm not the bad guy. I want peace. They won't allow me. I didn't make stuff, they made me. I didn't attack them, they attacked me. Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! And you be smart!
Stop! Look, stop! Gotta chill out. It's done. Stop moving. Come on.
Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Just send rockets! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
Nazi pigs! Nazi pigs! Nazi pigs! Free Palestine! Nazi pigs! Free Palestine! Free all of Israel! Why did I rip your shit? Why did I rip your shit? Why did I rip your shit? You're white. Go back to Europe. Go back to Europe.
You know why, right? You know why. He knows why. Ask him.
Run away! Run the fuck away, bitch! I already got your shit, didn't I? I already got your shit, bitch! Fuck you! Yeah! Where's your flag? Where's your flag, bitch? Where's your flag, Nazi? Where's your flag, Nazi? Nazi terrorists! Nazi terrorists! Nazi terrorists! Go back to Europe! I gotta keep moving. Bye-bye!
You're a fighting woman! And that's... You're fucking Muslim! Fucking Muslim!
You Come on, folks.
Sign this pig's gonna have a religion. Say.
Out of the sidewalk, please. Out of the road. Let's go, folks. Back onto the sidewalk.
Are murderers and rapists and thieves and liars. The very word Palestine is an Israeli word that means invader. It's derived from Pleshatim. Yeah, baby, Palestine all day, baby. Free Palestine.
Free Palestine!
They're shooting rockets at innocent people in Israel for one reason and one reason only, because they want to kill Israelis. They want to wipe out Israel. That will never happen. We are out here to say Israel is the greatest ally that the United States has, the only democracy in the Middle East. And the people who want damage done to Israel are the same people that danced on 9/11 and handed out candy on 9/11.
Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
Get rid of the PA. You'll be free.
Walk away. That's what I thought. We haven't forgotten 9/11. Yerushalayim has no place for Muslims.
Israel's not a state. It's a terrorist state. Israel's not a state. It's a terrorist right here, right here, right here. That's it.
What happened?